The grass is always greener where you water it. It's a simple statement, but it's a powerful one. Love is an action verb. There are times where it feels easy and effortless, but sustaining and growing your relationship for the rest of your lives together will not feel easy and effortless every day.
You can see it if you close your eyes. We already know the way.
It takes a commitment, not just today, but every day of your marriage, to choose love, make time for each other, listen well, support each other, and invest in your relationship.
It's a winding road of all the places we will go.
I, Ben, take you, Ava, to be my wife.
I, Ava, take you, Ben, to be my husband, to have him to hold and to stay forward, for better, for worse,
For richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health.
to love and to cherish, for as long as we both shall live.
It's a calling deep within your bones, and it cannot be contained. Forever you and me, running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will go. There's a stirring.
Ava, you are a special addition to our family, and you mean a lot to us. And I know I never expressed it the right way, but I do mean it, and I'm glad you're next to him on this beautiful day. Welcome to the family. I hope you two have a happy married life together.
Forever you and me, running.
It's truly an inspiration to watch you guys as a couple, to watch you as friends. And I know everyone in this room will be here through the good and the bad. And I'm excited for you guys to continue being partners, friends, and husband and wife.
네, 부모로서 저희가 오늘 결혼하는 그 신랑 신부한테 해줄 말은 서로 사랑하고 아끼고 서로 존중하면서 서로 일 열심히 하면서 책임감을 가지고 행복하게 가정 생활을 꾸려나가라는 바람입니다.